make a story. What are you doing, bro? What are you doing? Dang. Alright guys, we are officially outside, man. Holy crap, dude. Alright, watch this, guys. Oh. Dude, this thing is like rock solid, like, oh shoot. I can't pick it up and make a ball. Oh shoot, my neighbor's looking. I'm looking scared.
Please stop this madness.
Man, I wish I could text my friend to come out, bro. She's grounded. Oh my gosh, bro. She did some stupid stuff. Freaking poop nut. The fit though. Nah, bro. What would y'all rate this fit, bro? Rate it down the comments. I'll low-key rate it like a 6 or low-key a 9, bro. Yeah, bro. I got you, man. Let's go, man. Amazing, yeah, bro. Bro. Oh no. He's like a GTA character, bro.
Them thugs.
Hi, how are you?
No. Hey, bro, I guess we finna go flick up, meet with some people, right? We going to people's house or nah? Still.
Bro, I want to, but it's like too cold.
It's lucky too cold for all that.
Yeah, it's too cold.
Nah, we lucky shit, bro, still.
Yeah, right?
Nah.
We gotta do it.
Do it all the way to the end.
Alright, bro. Alright, guys. We finna go get Jet, bro. Let's call Jet just real quick. Hey, Bray's not gonna be the cameraman, y'all. Bray sucks.
Alright, I guess.
Yo, say what's up to the vlog. Well, we finna go get Jet real quick, bro. Let's just walk there. Hey, you ready for the adventure, bro?
Yeah, bro, let's make it happen, bro.
Woo! Yo, Kayla. Wait. Yo, I'm connect. Yo, I'm going on this dude, bro. Alright, guys. Today we were playing Five Nights at Freddy's Security Breach, bro. Let's go. Yeah, I'm trolling, bro. Yeah, bro. I'll jump in now, right?
It's birds in the pool
right now.
100?
If you jump in the pool. Oh my god.
Oh,
You're not jumping in the pool.
You swear? 100? What? Nigga, I can climb that. Oh, it's not brick. It's not brick. This is a good clip. Boom! 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 Alright, bro. Bro, I can't make a story. Me with the hose. Oh my gosh. The pond is over there. We're gonna go across this, bro. That's what men do. I'm a man. Caleb, trying to be leader of the pack. Oh, this is crazy.
Watch out, watch out.
Oh, survival of the fittest. Oh shoot.
I'm not going first, bro.
Oh, wait. Yo, wait. Yo, wait. I'll go. Nah, I'll do it for the views, bro.
It's not deep, but even if you fall, it's not deep, but just go.
You still gonna get wet. It's too damn cold to get wet. I can't lie.
Go back.
Hey, you gotta get your shoe, bro.
Go back.
Yeah, I'm going home, bro.
Yo.
I need to tripping, bro.
Alright guys, that was actually crazy, bro. Like, shout out to Caleb. I'm gonna put his YouTube right there, bro. He actually carried all that, bro. That was actually crazy, bro. My foot literally went in the water. I was walking home with a cold foot. But Jed, bro, no one had it as bad as Jed. Bro, his pants are cooked. His shoe is gone, dude. His shoe's gone. Hey, GG's in the chat for Jed, bro. All right, y'all. Today, bro, what are you wearing, bro? Oh! We're gonna be going back to the place where Jed fell in the water, and we're gonna go try to find his shoe. Now, we're supposed to be waiting for Peyton and Coyer to get out, but they're taking a shower, which I don't know why. Hail the 7 seas. Bro, yesterday was mad cold, bro. Like, this dude Brett was yeah. Elon, bro, what you been up to, bro? After the Halloween video, bro, after you stole all the girls. Bro, I'm still not forgetting that, bro. I'm gonna have to kill you, bro. I'm gonna have to kill you. Oh no, we're by his ex's house. Yo! What are you doing, bro? What are you doing? This guy's not real. Yo, I only pushed him like a slightly bit, and he's like in the middle of the street, bro.
Yo, lock in, bro.
Bro, yeah, this dude decided to wear Jordans outside in the cold, bro. Yeah. All right, yo, you wanna die? You wanna die, bro?
Tracks on.
Dang. Alright guys, since Brett does not want to go down there with us, bro, me and Elon are gonna try to find Jed's shoe. Yeah, bro. Alright. How deep is it?
Hey, this shit deep as fuck. Look. Never mind, not bad.
Let me get a try. Oh shoot, that's actually not that bad. Yeah, we're not gonna let you down, Jed.
It's for you, Jay.
This one's for you, Jed. Oh, send that to me.
Wait.
It's done. Mission is unsuccessful. I'm sorry, Jed, you lost your shoe. We are gonna buy you a new one though, man. We are gonna buy you some new shoes, bro. Elon, come on, bro. Think about the clip.
Yo, where's the clip?
Bro, come on.
Yo, I had tripping, Jigsaw.
Elon, bro, where you going?
Say that again. I'm gonna have to kill you.
Alright, bro.
Alright, Elon, we're walking. Oh, come on, bro.
You being pussy, bro.
We walking around Elon's ex's house. Bro, oh my gosh, bro.
Bro, we have to run across.
Oh my, bro, Elon, you actually went across, bro. You actually like top 10 wootsies, bro, of all time, bro. Bro.
Mission accomplished.
Alright guys, our mission here is we're gonna get all the ice. We are gonna get all the ice from this court.
With one shovel?
I gotta
Lame!
Damn, this got slipped.
Boy, if you don't.
Alright guys, no one wanted to break the ice on the court for me. So today we are doing routes. We're running some routes, man. We play some football, man. Alright, Corey's gonna throw. It's gonna be like, I don't know, me, Elon, Brett, and Peyton. You want routes?
Hey, man.
Okay, it's me, Elon. Wait, Brett, you trying to run routes?
No.
It's just me, Elon. Alright, this is me and you, bro. Alright, it's gonna be Elon on D. I mean, Elon on offense 3 times first, and then me on offense 3 times. What? No.
Hey,
Good kick, ankle.
who's Zach feeling like? Zach should have been on the football team.
Yo, this nigga small, man. I do this, bro. I'm out of breath.
I was like, bro, I ain't going D1. I didn't have no hope.
You look good, bro. Oh, no. Jail, bro. I didn't like
I'm locking it down, man. Elon's not good at football, bro. I've always had football over him, bro. Ever since I was 4. LeBron called me up and said,
LeBron, I thought you, what? What?
well, you would be a dermatologist.
I can't go. I can't.
Make it flip, bro. Make it flip. Yes, you gotta go and achieve all your aspirations.
Come on, man. I can't fucking run. Yo, Hell no. Take go. Hell no. Did he even run that route?
He should have been football, bro.
Shut. Get off my court! Get off my court! Come on, bro.
So you know,
Yeah, come on, bro. That's gay. I'm done.
That's you right now. You doesn't look right on it. That's how it's
All right, guys. If you made it to the end of the video, make sure to like, comment, and
Subscribe.
woo! All right, we'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. Hey, raise your hand if you like Prince Zeke.